the leak. Unfortunately, it's not the valve stem. It's in the middle of the wheel. Hey everybody, short video today to talk about a carbon fiber wheel that I had damaged on the carbon fiber track pack, and to get the word out about a repair option for the carbon fiber wheels. The GT350R community knows about this, kind of new to the GT500 carbon fiber track pack community. So we're going to take a look at the wheel that I had damaged and fixed. Here we go. First off, we're going to take a look at the wheel now that it's all back fixed and good to go. For those of you that saw my video a couple months ago regarding buying a third set of wheels and an extra carbon fiber wing, this wheel came with that set. That shiny black area that you see right there that I'm pointing to is the repaired area. At the time of that unboxing video, I didn't know one of the wheels was damaged. The seller had put his used rear tires on the rims and had Discount Tire order 2 new front tires. This area here is the inside of the repaired area. The front wheels were dropped off and Discount Tire did the work without the seller present. I had flown to where the seller was to get eyes on the wheels, and that's when I noticed that the tires that Discount Tire had ordered were the wrong Sport Cup 2s. They were regular basic Sport Cup 2s and not the Ford Performance variants that were designed for this car. I was buying this set to use on the track, so the seller had offered to hang on to the wheels and tires a little bit longer, and took the front wheels back to Discount Tire to have them order the correct Ford Performance variants of the Sport Cup 2s and to do the swap. When this wheel and tire set arrived at my house, I unboxed it on video, put a link up above, and at that time I didn't realize that there was still a problem. After filming that video, I discovered that one of the front tires was still the old basic Sport Cup 2, not the Ford Performance variant. So I contacted the seller, he contacted his local Discount Tire, and they found they still had the Ford Performance variant that they ordered sitting there at their shop. So he worked with his Discount Tire, I worked with mine, and we were able to swap out the tire. That whole process took quite a while, and in the meantime I had ordered another correct front tire. I took the wheel in question and the correct front tire to a speed shop that deals in carbon fiber wheels, watched them do the work. They did a great job in swapping it. That's another of the carbon fiber wheel set that you're looking at there. But the speed shop did the switch. I took it back to the car that was on the lift, put it on there, and this was the evening before a race day the next day. After I got the wheel and tire mounted on the car and lowered the car on the lift back down to the ground, discovered that the tire was getting flat again. With no time to diagnose it, I just went into a mad scramble and got one of my other carbon fiber wheels and the proper tire and did a swap, leaving the diagnosing for another time. I was hoping that the problem was just a leaky valve stem, but as you can see from this video, not so much. Well, I found the leak. Unfortunately, it's not the valve stem. It's in the middle of the wheel. It's, yeah, I guess I'll have to try and see if this wheel can be repaired, but it's coming from right down there at that seam. Well, crap. There it is. It actually feels like there's a bubble there. So I'll have to get the tire dismounted and see what's going on the other side. With the tire off, I could see the damage. Looks like Discount Tire used a pry bar on the inner wheel part, the barrel of the carbon fiber wheel. Caused a big chip out of the carbon fiber and ruptured through to the other side that you'll see here when I flip the wheel, but it was causing a pressure breach. So I contacted Carbon Revolutions to see if this could be fixed. I was told that this is not a structural weight-bearing part of the wheel. It's an easy fix, and to look up Spider Composites out in California. Here is Spider Composites' website. In the upper right, you'll see GT350R. They've been repairing GT350R carbon fiber wheels for a while now, and they're getting now into the carbon fiber track pack wheels for the 2020 newer GT500. But Frank is the owner. I talked to him. He said it's an easy fix. So off to California went and got the wheel back. So I had to box up the wheel, send it out to California, insure it, box it. All right, it's June 14, 2021, and I'm getting ready to pad and seriously pad and box up this carbon fiber wheel to ship out to California. And just want to document the condition. This wheel is basically perfect with the exception of there's a chip right there. That's the only damage, but this wheel is in great condition, as you can see. So hopefully it arrives that way, there and back. Frank is the owner of Spider Composites. Talked to him, sent him some videos, pictures, and he said, yeah, that's an easy fix. He's done stuff like this before. So basically, after talking with him, what he did is, you can see this dark area which is showing up real well right now on the film, or on the camera here. So he cut out basically this whole area, laid down new carbon fiber. Let's see if I can find the spot on the inside. It is right here. So cut out a section, put down new carbon fiber, new resin, or epoxy, whatever it is, applied a vacuum, applied heat, and basically sealed that area up. And then they pressure tested, and he said, yeah, it's good to go. And then to finish it all off, redid the, I think he called this ceramic heat coating, redid this heat coating there, and then I reapplied, ceramic myself, just to keep that area clean on the whole inside of the barrel. All in, there insured, back insured, and repairs was about $1,100. In my particular case, since I didn't know about it, so the seller didn't know about it, I didn't get upset about the wheel, just dealing with it. Matter of fact, he was pretty admirable about it. So we just simply split the costs. It worked out well. So that's it. Short little video about carbon fiber wheel damage and the repair process. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped somebody. See you next time.